हेलो बच्चों, चलो सीखते हैं ABCD। देखो मेरे पास कितने सारे कलर हैं। 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5। ये देखो कौन सा कलर है? ब्लू कलर। ये देखो कौन सा कलर है? ये भी है ब्लू कलर। देखो कौन सा कलर है? ऑरेंज कलर। ये देखो कौन सा कलर है? येलो कलर। ये है ग्रीन कलर। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। A A A for ant. A for ant. B B B for ball. B for ball. C C for cow. C for cow. D D for drum. D for drum. E E for eagle. E for eagle. E for eagle. F F F for fan. F for fan. G G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. H H for house. H for house. H for house. I for ink. I for ink. J J for jeep. J for jeep. K for key. K for key. K for key. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. N for nurse. N for nurse. N for nurse. N for nurse. O for owl. O for owl. O for owl. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. S for sheep. S for sheep. S for sheep. T. T for train. T for train. U. U for uniform. U for uniform. U for uniform. V. V for violin. V for violin. V for violin. W. W for pen. W for pen. W for pen. Y. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Z for zip. Z for zip. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching.